Paper collage is made by layering strips of paper one over the other with a paste glue. To make newspaper strips, all you need to do is pull down on the newspaper page. There is only one way to do this. If your paper is breaking or going skew, turn it around and pull the other way. It should come off in a clean strip. You will need quite a lot, so perhaps a quicker way is to go on the fold. That way you are tearing both sides at the same time. Tear quite a few strips and then make them smaller and collect them up in a container. You could also use paper towel as an alternative. If you're going to do it with paper towel, same thing again, you're going to have to strip it into small pieces. Paper towel also tears better in one direction than in the other. Sometimes paper towel also separates into two different layers. Here is our base. We call this an armature, which we have made out of a solid cardboard base and added in some newspaper. This is how we rolled the newspaper for the middle. The more you roll the paper, the stronger it becomes. Flatten it down and fold it in half. Here is an empty one to show you. It has a little groove already that we can place our tube of newspaper into. Squash it in nice and tight. These are the feet of your roll. The fold is at the top. We use masking tape to hold it in place. This is the one side. Let's go and do the other side now. Squash it in and place the tape across. If you only have a square box, you can do the same just on top of the square box. Flatten the feet down. Now I don't want this neck too tall, but I would like it stronger and thicker, so I'm going to fold it in half again and use some tape to hold it in place. This has to hold a head, so it needs to be quite firm. Now we're going to roll this head. Notice how I roll from the outer corners into the middle, trapping air inside. Keep rolling it over and over, making a ball shape. To make it bigger, roll it inside another piece of newspaper. This sheet of newspaper is double A3, so an A2 size sheet of newspaper, and hold it in place with tape. Keep adding the tape until you have a firm ball. Tuck in the edges and corners so that there are no loose or stray ends sticking out, and you have a firm ball by the time you're finished. Now we're going to want to attach this head to this neck that we made. Make a little point on your ball that you can overlap with the neck and tape together. There we go. To firm up the neck, add some more tape. give it some more stability. Keep adding tape until you are happy with the firmness of your sculpture's base. We use cardboard for cutting out any extra detail that our animal might need. For example, ears or tongues, any extra features. So if you're making a cat, you would like to cut some triangular ears for him. If you're making a dog or a rabbit, again, probably more curved ears, and for rabbits especially long ears. For this example, we're going to make a cat. Cut out the triangles and attach them to the back of the head, perhaps even giving them a little bend to give them more of an ear shape, so that they're not so firm and angular. Attach them with tape from both sides. Turn your armature over and make sure you secure it along the bottom edge of the ear as well. You want them nice and firm. Ear number 2. Get them nice and close. For one type of a personality, maybe far apart or pointing out for a different personality. The position of the ears can change the character of your animal. Make sure you tuck any stray pieces of tape away. Again, securing on the back. And this armature is now finished.